Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Prax. Have you been told that reversing neuropathy is impossible, that there's nothing you can do? I've heard that too, and that's why I authored the book entitled Reversing Neuropathy, Making the Impossible Possible. If we determine you're a good candidate for this all-natural, drug-free, surgery-free approach, you'll be on your way to enjoying activities in your life again. But don't take it from me. Listen to some of my patients.
Walking has proved almost 100%.
I can do everything I need to do, and I haven't done in a long time.
I can feel when my feet are cold. I can feel when my feet are hot. It's really almost back to normal.
The hands, all that numbness is just about 100% gone.
I can function, I can wear shoes, I can wear my heels.
I can stand in the shower now.
The neuropathy is slowly going away.
I even got to run around and play with my little grandbaby.
It works.
Pain is gone. I mean, it's throbbing.
I have more energy. I can get up and do things like I wanted to. 3 months ago, I couldn't do that.
I can actually go to the grocery store for half an hour, not ride the cart.
First day I walked out of here, I was 30% better.
I am at least 95%, probably more.
110% better.
The pain is gone.
I have no more swelling. I'm starting to walk on my own.
Doctor told me if you keep doing what you're doing, we can get you off this diabetes medicine.
And I found my waist again.
I feel 10 times better. It was definitely worth it.
My battle's gotten a lot better. This will give me some hope.
I have a whole lot more feeling in my feet. If they say it can't be done, it can.
Great stories, huh? Wow. The question for you is, what if? What if you could be the next one to finally eliminate or greatly reduce your neuropathy symptoms? Many of my patients tell me they feel like they have a new lease on life. How about you? We look forward to seeing you real soon.